My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware type application called ZestyPeak. Not sure why exactly it's called like that, but this is definitely the adware that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. The ZestyPeak adware may periodically show a lot of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. So this adware called ZestyPeak may also be spread through being integrated with a lot of other free applications. In many cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this ZestyPeak was somewhere or another installed into your computer, of course you need to remove it. So go to your Finder, check your applications. If you find this ZestyPeak, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I would also recommend you to investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and then start investigating your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.